You're sitting across from someone, maybe it's a stranger, maybe it's someone you just met on a trip, or maybe it's a coworker at your new job. They smile and ask, "So, what do you do?" And suddenly, your mind goes completely blank. You know what your job is. You've said it 1,000 times in your own language. But now, in English, all the words are gone. Your brain freezes. Your heart races. You smile awkwardly and say, I work. Computer? This is a moment every English learner has experienced at least once, and probably more than once. It doesn't happen because you don't know English. It happens because your brain is switching between two worlds, what you want to say and how to say it. So, today, we're going to talk about how to handle that moment, what to say when someone asks you a simple question and you just can't answer, and more importantly, how to prepare for those moments so they stop feeling scary. Let's begin. Let's go back to that first question. What do you do? This is one of the most common small talk questions in English. It means, what's your job? Or how do you spend your time? But your brain doesn't hear it that way. Your brain hears, time to panic. Here's the thing. You don't need a perfect sentence. You just need something simple and clear. You can say, I work in art. I'm a teacher. I work at a supermarket. I run my own business. I'm a student. I study architecture. I'm taking a break from work right now. If you're not working, you can say, I am between jobs. I'm currently looking for something new. I'm focused on family at the moment. Short, natural, real. If you say just one of these sentences with confidence, the moment passes smoothly. But what if your brain freezes? What if the person asks you a question and your words disappear? That's okay. You can say, sorry, my English just disappeared for a second. Give me a second, I know what I want to say. Or even just laugh and say, English brain loading. These small phrases do something magical. They show you're still in the conversation. They give your brain a chance to reboot. And they make the other person smile instead of feel awkward. Let's look at a few more simple questions that often make learners freeze and what to say when they come up. Where are you from? Most learners know this one, but in real life, it often sounds like, so where are you originally from? Or, are you from around here? And your brain says, wait, what? Just answer simply, I'm from Istanbul. I was born in Colombia, but I live in Spain now. I've moved a lot, but I'm originally from Egypt. You don't have to explain everything. One sentence is enough. What brings you here? This one is tricky. It means, why are you in this city? Or, why did you come to this event? Don't panic. Try one of these. I'm here for work. I'm visiting friends. I moved here recently. I'm studying nearby. I just wanted a change of scenery. Short answers are fine. They often lead to deeper questions later. What do you like to do for fun? This is another classic small talk question, and many learners freeze, not because they don't have hobbies, but because the vocabulary feels unclear. You don't need to sound impressive. Just say what you enjoy. I like cooking and watching movies. I go running a few times a week. I'm into photography. I read a lot. I'm learning to play the guitar. Bonus tip, you can also add, not very good at it, but it's fun. That shows confidence and humility. How long have you been here? This could mean in this city, at this job, or at this event. Context helps. You can say, a few months, since January, just today, first time here. Almost 2 years now. You don't need full sentences. Just keep the conversation moving. Now, let's talk about what to do after a freeze. Let's say someone asks a question and you completely blank out. What do you do? First, breathe. Seriously, one slow breath. Then say something like, "Sorry, my brain is on a coffee break. Can you say that again, a bit slower? I think I understood, but I need a second." Or if you know the word in your own language, you can say, "I know the word in Turkish, but not in English. Hold on." You can even explain it simply. It's the thing you use to mix things when baking and wait for them to help. People are usually kind when you show you're trying. Let me tell you a secret. Even native speakers forget words. Even fluent people say the wrong thing sometimes. The difference is they don't freeze. They improvise. And you can too, instead of thinking, "I must say the perfect sentence." Try thinking, "How can I keep the conversation going?" That's the real goal, not grammar, not vocabulary, connection. You're going to freeze sometimes. You'll forget words. You'll say weird things. That's okay. That's how people learn to speak, by speaking, messing up, laughing, and trying again. The next time someone asks you a simple question and your brain goes blank, just smile. Say something, anything, because even a pause, even a joke, even a short sentence like, "Give me a sec," is better than silence. You're not being tested. You're being human. Practice out loud. Try different styles, and soon it will feel completely natural. Thank you for practicing with me today. See you in the next lesson.